DJI Mini 4 Pro has just released a new firmware updates right before Christmas 2023. Let us have a quick check of what is included that may be useful for us. Quick installation guide, 2 ways on how to install the firmware. 1. Go to the About menu by tapping on the 3 dots icon found at the upper right hand corner. 2. The prompt will be displayed at the opening screen. Let's now start and tap Install, and then, tap on More to find out more on what are included in the updates. Personally, here are the important updates that works for me. 1. Added auto mode for active shots 360 degrees. This is like master shots equivalent for active shots where the drone will decide which position to take while tracking. 2. Added vision assist. Sensor cameras will now opened up to show you what it sees, to provide you further assistance when you fly sideways and backwards. 3. Added vision positioning and obstacle sensing switch. This switch will enable you to turn off the vision positioning. Very useful when you are hand catching the drone while you are on a boat. When the drone detects so many obstacles, it will avoid to land, so you can switch this off and land, but be very careful. 4. Added support for goggles 2, Goggles Integra, RC Motion 2. This could have been great if I have to RC Motion 2, but I only have the first model. Anyway, this works for my avatar. On RC2 updates, finally, they have added support for saving screenshots and recordings on any micro SD card installed in the remote controller, increasing ease of export. Now you don't need to transfer from the RC internal storage to the SD card. Are these updates useful for you? Let me know in the comments. Fly safe and see you in the next